Root Shiksha. Clever fish. There was a poor fisherman lived in a small village. He earns his livelihood by catching fishes from the river and selling them in the market. But the money he gets by selling fishes was not enough. He was living in a very poor condition. Even the net he used for catching fishes were almost torn, but he had not enough money to buy a new one. One day, a fisherman was fishing in the river as usual. He threw his net into the river and he was waiting there to catch the fish so that he could sell a lot of fish, get some good money from the market. After some times, fisherman heard some hustle and bustle in the net and thought he must have got a lot of fish in the net. As the net was turned, so when he took the net out of water, many of the fishes managed to flee from the net, but a little tiny fish does not get out of the net and was caught by the fisherman. The fisherman grabbed hold of that fish, but then suddenly the fish started to take to him. The little fish said to the fisherman, "Oh fisherman, please leave me, otherwise I would die out of water." But the fisherman gave attention to the fish's request. Now the fish started to think something to save her life from the fisherman. And after thinking for a moment, the fish said to the fisherman, "Oh fisherman, I can tell you something of your prophet." The fisherman stopped and started listening to the fish. The fish said, "If you leave me back in the water, I will tell all my friends about you, and I will bring them to the back of the river so that you can easily catch and sell them in the market. Next time you come, you have a lot of fish." The fisherman thought to himself, "Wow, this is not bad at all." He wondered what to let go of. Today is a small fish. Tomorrow I will have many fish because it is a small fish which brings me to all her friends. Believing the words of the tiny little fish, fisherman let go. The little fish was really happy. She happily ran into the river and never returned. The next day, the poor fisherman hoped there would be so many fish, but he found not even a single fish. On the other hand, small fish are being intelligent, and for that reason she wisely saved his life from a fisherman. Clever fish. Moral: you have to be very clever to save your life from such challenging moments. Thank you.